Alright, so seriously, it is July. I got this TV in like February. It's a really high end Vizio. I paid like $600 for this so I can have that 120 hertz refresh rate because everything is all 60 nowadays. And I really wanted that high end so I can play my games. And this shit keeps happening, right? Over and over and over again. But I tell you what, whoever told you that anger, aggression, and violence isn't the solution, sometimes it is. Watch this. Come on, you son of a bitch. Bam! Fixed it. Every fucking time. Oh, uh-oh. You want to be a little bitch, don't you? I'm so fucking sick and tired of this piece of shit, bro. There. What I fucking tell you? Fixed it. Works like a charm every single fucking time. $600. Didn't even make it 6 months without me having to bang this shit around. Fuck you, Vizio. Get me a new TV. The hell is this shit?
See, and look. Here we are just a few minutes later. Works like a charm. I do this like, I don't know, once every couple of weeks. And probably one of the worst experiences I've had with a TV. It looks great, but honestly, I don't even know if that 120 was worth it. Not for that price. I can go and get, this is a 55 inch. I can go and get a 72 inch for the same damn price. Actually, a little bit cheaper. I can go get a bigger TV for cheaper with just as good a picture on it. And probably not. It's the first time I've ever had a TV that just crapped the bed like this quickly. So hopefully Vizio sees this, does something. I've tried calling and claiming the warranty on it. They want me to put it in a box and ship it back to them. Like, yeah, I can do that. That's something I totally do because I'm Amazon, right? Yeah, no, just fucking damn, dude.